Hi, my name is Daniel Kim. I'm a recipe developer at HelloFresh, and this is one of my favorite recipes I've developed, a kimbap casserole with nori sheets. We have radishes that we're gonna half initially and cut them into half moons. And then we're gonna do something similar with our cucumbers, combine them actually, do a really quick pickle on them, add rice wine vinegar, a pinch of salt, a half tablespoon of sugar, half of our sesame seeds. Quick mix, and then set them aside in the fridge until you're ready for later. Another bit of prep we're gonna do is with our carrots. Make sure you have all the skin peeled off. You could use that same peeler and just go ahead and shred these ribbons until you sort of reach close to its core, and we get these really nice, beautiful carrot ribbons. And so here I have some spinach that I've cooked down with some oil, salt, and pepper just to wilt it really quick, 1 to 2 minutes. And we're gonna do something similar with the carrots we have. So season them with some salt. And all you're looking for is to soften the carrots just so that they're tender. Super quick. Next, we're gonna cook our ground beef. We wanna season it with some salt and pepper. So we're gonna try to cook this until it's browned and cooked through around 4 to 6 minutes. I like to let the beef sort of cook on one side for a little longer just to develop some browning, and then you could flip over all the pieces just to make sure everything is cooked through. Use your bulgogi sauce and just cook that down until it thickens slightly, and then all your beef pieces are evenly coated with that sauce. Here we also have some nori sheets that we roasted in the oven. You can just shred them into small pieces using your hands. Some rice that I cooked down earlier. We're gonna add half of our sesame oil, fluff the rice using a fork. So all we have left to do is to build our kimbap bake. First, all of our rice to create our nice base layer. Press that down as evenly as you can. Next, we have our beef, our bulgogi, ground beef. So we're gonna layer that right over, and some of that sauce from the beef is gonna soak down into that rice, which is exactly what we want. Next, we're gonna go with our spinach and our carrots to contrast those rich notes from the beef. Pop this into the oven for around 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure all those flavors melt. And to finish, we have our nice refreshing cucumber and radish pickles from the fridge, and so we're just gonna evenly spread those over. And we have our shredded nori sheets, spicy mayo, drizzle it over the top, our sesame seeds. And with the remaining nori sheets too, you can create these little wraps, or you could just dig in and enjoy as is.